Open the box. Take out the product and remove the packaging. Remove the front fork guard. Remove the protective plate from the brake caliper. Align the wheel with the front fork. Fit the brake disc into the dropout. Insert the quick release lever. Turn the lever clockwise and lock the lever into place. Remove the screw. Insert the mudguard from front to back. Pass the screw through the threaded hole. Pass the screw through the support hole and tighten up. Insert the handlebar into the head tube. Determine the height of the handlebar and the levelness with the tire. Tighten up clockwise with an Allen key. Press the dust plug into the hole. Remove the screw counterclockwise. Align the bracket with the threaded hole and turn the screw clockwise to tighten up. Mount the basket to the bracket. Find the screws and plate and assemble them. Attach them to the basket and bracket and tighten up. Find the screws and clips. Assemble them at the bottom of the basket and secure all the screws. Lift the seat. Turn the seat tube lock counterclockwise. Install left pedal counterclockwise through the threaded hole. Install right pedal clockwise through the threaded hole. Turn the key to power on the battery. Turn the key to lock the battery. Turn the key to unlock the battery for removal. The battery can be easily removed. Align the slot on the back of the battery with the battery tube. Battery is locked.